Hello friends, good morning. Today we will see how to make garlic naan at home on tawa. For garlic naan we have some ingredients like all purpose flour means maida 2 cup, oil 1 tablespoon, baking soda half teaspoon, powder sugar 1 teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, chopped coriander 4 to 5 cloves, grated garlic, 4 to 5 cloves, finely chopped garlic, curd 1/4 cup. So let's start today's recipe. First, we need to prepare the flour. So let's make the flour. We have got the flour in a bowl. Let's add the baking soda, sugar, salt, curd and the oil. As well as add grated garlic into it. We'll mix everything together and use warm water to knead the dough. The water is just a little warm. We'll add it little and knead very soft dough. Let's take a little oil in our palm and knead the dough till it's very shiny and greasy. We have to keep kneading it for 5 to 7 minutes. Our dough is ready. After that, keep it covered for about 2 hours. Then the dough will be expand little bit more from current size. Let's cover the dough and put it aside for 2 hours. After 2 hours, our dough is soft and fluffy. Let's make the naan. We will take a little flour in our palm and punch the dough. Now break it into balls. Put a little dry flour on your hand and make a ball, turning it downwards like this. Let's prepare the dough ball from all the dough like this one. Let's heat the pan. To cook the naan, we will pick up the one ball and cover it into dry flour. We can roll it in an oval shape or round shape according to our preference. The naan shouldn't be very thin. Let's keep a little thick. It should be thick like paratha. On one side, now we will put garlic and coriander leaves. On another side, put water. Let's put the naan on hot tawa to cook it. Keep the wet surface down in contact with tawa. Is cooked. Let's roll out another one. The upper surface of naan has turned a bit darker. The naan is cooked from the bottom side. When the upper surface little bit darker, then we will cook the naan from bottom side. Now we will turn the tawa directly over the flame. Move it around a bit to make sure it cooked from all sides. Cook it till you see the brown spots appear. The naan has brown spots all over it. Now it's ready. Now we will remove the naan from tawa by using spatula and put a little ghee on it. When we put ghee on it, put into plate or serve it directly. Our delicious garlic naan is ready to eat. If you like, please share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.